What's up, family? Welcome back to Hustling Crypto, that channel that's all about crypto and only crypto. And on this channel, I talk about ways to earn passive income and make money off the crypto space. Now, either that's staking, yield farming, or building nodes, or just finding projects that got potential to have huge gains. If this is your first time on my channel, I ask you to hit that like and subscribe button and that bell notification so you get notified when I drop new content like this about new projects coming out to the market. Today's video gonna be a quick one. It's gonna be an update to a project I just jumped into a week and a half ago called Ring. Now, if you're not familiar with Ring, I suggest you go back, watch my old video. That way you can get brought up to speed of what's going on. But in the meantime, let's get straight to the video. Okay, if we look at the price of Ring today, it's sitting at a whopping $61.11. What a difference a week can make, right? Now, we're going to go down to the chart so I can show you exactly where it was at. I'm going to look up the 7-day chart so that way you can see. On the 20th of December, the price is at $287. And from that point right there, it just took a huge nosedive. Now, it did have some signs of life when we thought it was going to go back up. But ultimately, as you can see right here, it went down to the price that we see right now. Now, Ring did jump in front of the situation and hopped on their Discord to address their community. They said little explanation about the recent dip that happened. First of all, don't worry. This is not a hack, a rug, or something external. This was unexpected reaction from the node manager contract mechanism. The brief explanation is we upgraded the allocation percentage on the node creation. And combined with the massive amount of nodes created on the start of the promotion, this allocation percentage represented a lot. So pretty much they was getting a lot of nodes getting created, and it caused some problems with the percentages of the rewards, and that's what caused a dip. But the team also took the time to address that Ring is officially going to get launched on AVAX. I don't know how this is going to work with them being on the Binance chain right now and what those early node holders are going to do, how it's going to migrate. I don't know, but they did announce that they're going to do that. And also, they noted that they're going to have a node increase of 20% to all their nodes, the silver, the gold, and the bronze nodes they have. I will later address that when I show you what my investment is currently sitting at, so that way you can see it in person and get a better understanding of what's going on. The team also took time a couple days later to announce the winner of the voting poll for which protocols the community wanted them to invest in. And Olympus DAO, Time Wonderland, and Strong were those protocols. Now, they said they invested $100,000 to Olympus DAO. They did get some time, and they bought a whole bunch of Strong tokens. Now, they only have a couple Strong nodes created, but they do have a lot of tokens in the wallet, so I do expect them to get more Strong nodes to help allocate more rewards in the future for its holders. Now, this builds a lot of confidence for the people in the community, as well as myself being a node holder. So I'm looking to see great things from this project in 2022. Now, on top of that, they did have an AMA, which I will address some of the questions that people had. A lot of people asked, what is the future price prediction for the Ring token? At which the team did say the sustainability of the rewards program was their main objective, and that price is something that's scary right now, but sustainability will be something that they want to see happen so that way they can sustain through the future, which I thought was actually a good thing, because after all, the sustainability of the project is the main reason why people invest. That way they can get those long-term rewards and long-term gains versus something short where they can cash out real quick. I don't think that's a good thing, but they did address a lot of things in the AMA. If you have any more questions about that, look into my Twitter page, hustling_crypto, and that way you can find out about it. And like I said in the beginning of the video, I will give you an update on my current situation, my investment. And right now you can see there's 106,000 Ring nodes that's out there. I currently have 3 in this wallet. I got my wife 1 for her wallet, so we actually have 4. I just want her to get more accustomed to crypto so she can do her own thing. But I got 4 total. Right now I'm still getting 0.556 for my gold nodes that I do have. I will compound next week. I'll probably get 2 more next week based on some other returns I get from other investments. So if you want to create a node now, like I said before, the price has went up. It didn't go up drastically. It just went up 20%. So earlier you can get a bronze for 1 ring, you can get a silver for 5 ring, and you can get a gold for 10 ring. But they did put posts like you saw in the Discord that it was going up 20%. Now it would have cost you 1.2 ring for a bronze, cost you 6 ring for a silver, and 12 ring for gold. So there you have it, family. That's been a crazy week for Ring Financial, crazy week for crypto and all. But hey, no project goes straight to the top in a month and a half. You got to give these things time to work themselves out. And the team is doing a great job reaching out to the community, letting them know every move they're making, what they're investing in, what their next plans is. And I think we just got to have a little bit of patience, and this project will take off. Not financial advice, my own personal experience and what I feel. You see, I'm an investor, so I do have my opinion. Hustle Crypto family, it's been a good video. It's been good spending time with y'all. Y'all got to kick it with your boy for a couple minutes. But hey, I'm going to see y'all on the flip side. Peace.